For many years now, design education has always been conducted through studios. Studios are understood as both the project and the centralized space, which design students call their own, a common ground for collaboration and interaction. But COVID has changed the way we do that. With reduced contact and gatherings, design education has scrambled to find the balance between digital and physical learning. The mega trends of digitization, shared resources, and transdisciplinary collaboration will drive the future of design education. With technological advancements and sharing of resources, students are taught technical and collaborative skills within their specific discipline, which follows the T-shaped learning model. Extending this model, students should not only have singular expertise, but also the ability to collaborate across disciplines, which will plug the applied knowledge gap. In order to facilitate this collaboration and learning in an immersive and safe mode, we envision decentralizing the studio model around campus. The National University of Singapore, with a diverse range of disciplines, can adopt such a model. Imagine, in the year 2025, the decentralized design studio now exists in the form of repurposing spaces in each faculty. Meet June, a Year 1 industrial design student heading to the design studio for her first form-finding class, where she uses augmented reality to envision and critique forms in the 3D space. After class, the studio is transformed into a social interaction space for students to ideate and host lively discussions, where June meets May, her Year 3 senior who is her buddy for that semester. May tells her that the enhanced prototyping and design labs mean that modeling and software skills are not just taught in basic years, but can be taken at advanced levels too. Being a good buddy, May brings June on a studio orientation around campus. She explains that in each faculty, replicable mini-studios are set up where students can host group meetings and prototype quickly. With smart panels, groups can form an enclosed area, and smart tables enable their progress to be uploaded onto a secure cloud drive for easy access. The proximity of each studio to the discipline's specialized equipment and facilities enables them to be used by all students when supervised. This means that June can choose to work at different studios to tap on the unique facilities provided in their vicinity. If she needs to conduct human-centered research and stakeholder interviews, she will work at the studio nearest to the Faculty of Arts and Social Sciences to use their research classes and clinical labs. And if she wants to create high-quality prototypes, she can head to the fabrication labs and electronic workshops at the Faculty of Engineering. When they reach the Faculty of Medicine, May shows June the surgery simulations and medical equipment, where they meet Julie, a Year 4 medical student who is working on a project together with May. Traveling around, June notes that these collaborative studio hubs provide neutral environments that lower the barriers for students from all disciplines to enter, learn, and collaborate with others. The highlight of June's day is heading back to the design studio's virtual reality room for a virtual lesson with an overseas partner university. Putting on the VR goggles, she sees the professor modeling a 3D car, and they are encouraged to walk around the model to get a feel of its actual size and form. The simulation of the environment makes her feel as if she was there at the other university too. Our model takes a discipline-driven method of collaboration. But in the future, we can also look at categorizing the types of projects to decide how to decentralize studio locations. Some other ways to imagine pathways to transdisciplinary education can include a shared ownership of resources and booking systems within the physical and digital space of the campus. For a long-standing institution, the National University of Singapore has already made plans to adopt cross-disciplinary education through new programs and combining faculties. We see this as a positive step towards embracing communication and a reset of collaboration between disciplines. And this is how we envision design education in a post-pandemic world, decentralized beyond the classroom for the ultimate blended learning experience.